Hey, what's going on guys, Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. I'm going to be talking about Wallpaper Engine and how to set a live wallpaper. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to Steam because this is where this application is. As you can see, it's called Wallpaper Engine. You've probably heard of it before, but if you haven't, then if you're wondering how people get live wallpapers and how it's moving in the background, I'm sure you've seen videos on TikTok or even YouTube for that matter and you were wondering, this is how you do it. So you want to go to Steam and you're going to go to the search and type in Wallpaper Engine. It does cost money, but it's the best money you'll ever spend in my opinion. I've had it for almost 2 years and I love the software. I don't personally use it a lot, but maybe if I get more of a powerful computer, I'll definitely use it some more. But if you scroll down, you can go ahead and purchase it. Apparently, I need to leave a review. Right now, it's $4, so it's not like you're spending money on something you're not going to use. You'll probably use it. It can run in the background. I'm pretty sure it can run without Steam running in the background. I've actually had it run in the background without Steam running in the background. But once you install it, you can go ahead and click Wallpaper Engine. Going to launch it. It basically launches it through Steam, and if you have it set to launch with Windows, it'll launch with Windows, and Steam won't even have to open it up, so you're not worrying about all that CPU percentage being used. Now, if you do have a really low-end computer, then you might not want to use this, but my computer is fine enough where I can run this and use my computer on a daily basis. I usually shut it off because I game a lot, and I don't want any of my CPU usage to be used for the Wallpaper Engine when I'm trying to play a game. As you can see, I have a wallpaper in the background playing, and if you would like to change your settings, you don't know how to, it'll pop up with a menu and explain how to use the software, I'm pretty sure, from what I remember. But if you go ahead and right-click on it and click Change Wallpaper, it's going to pop up with a window. Alright guys, so I actually went ahead and changed wallpaper. As you can see, it's basically a video playing in the background, that's all it is. But if you want, you can go down here, right-click on it, and click Change Wallpaper. It's going to pop up with this. And then what you can do is you can scroll through and find the ones you want. It comes with a couple. It comes with this one. This one's actually pretty cool. I've been using... Let me find it. I've been using this one. I really like this one. There's also sound. You can change the sound and stuff. Like if I turn that up, you can hear the sound playing. It's a really cool software to have, but it's something that not everyone's going to like. I personally like having it. I just don't run it all the time. It's usually just something I mess with. But as you can see, there's all these that I already have downloaded. But if you go to Discover, you can find some here, or you can go to Workshop, which is what I usually go to, and this pops up. And there's a lot of anime shit, and I'm sorry for that. I don't know why that's here. Not that I have anything against anime, I just don't personally like it. But if you want to download one, just find one you want to download. We'll use this one for example. Click subscribe, and it should download eventually. You can also go to Steam, go to Community, go ahead and find the HUDs. Type in, oh, hold on. But yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. But if you go to Steam and type in Wallpaper Engine and click search, it's going to pop up with this, and it's just going to give you a whole bunch of stuff. But you can go ahead and go to Workshop. I personally go through here because it's easier to find stuff, and then you can just go ahead and search. You can go to most subscribed. You can search stuff. You can find like technology, for example. If you click on technology, it pops up with all this stuff. But Wallpaper Engine is a really cool software to use, and a lot of people kind of know it's out there, but kind of doesn't. It is on Steam. It's $3 or $4, so it's definitely worth the money. And if you're wondering how to like mess with the settings, so if I go to Razer Bedroom and click that, it's going to do Razer Bedroom, and then you can scroll down. You can do playback. If you want to change the settings, you can go to settings up here, scroll down, and you can find the amount of FPS. I usually do 30. That's usually reasonable. But if you have a really high powered computer, you can go up to 60, which I don't personally recommend using. But you can mess with these settings. You have general settings. You can set it so it boots with your computer as well. And then you can scroll down and find other settings. I'm not going to go in depth with the software because this is just how you do it. It's not necessarily a review on Wallpaper Engine. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. There is plugins, so if you have a Razer keyboard, as you can see with Razer devices, you can make the wallpaper go along with your Razer devices. Like say you have Razer stuff inside your computer, you can make the LEDs go with the wallpaper, which is really cool. You can also go to the About section, it'll tell you about the software. So the system requirements are a 1.6 gigahertz, or sorry, 1.66 gigahertz Intel i5 or equivalent, or 1 gig of RAM is what 1024 megs is. Intel HD graphics 4000 and above. So yeah, you could basically run this on a laptop, but the recommended specs is a 2 gig RAM video card, at least 2 gigs of RAM. I have 32, so I'm fine. And they at least recommend about a gig of space, which is fine, or 512 megs of space. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know the software's out there. It's a really cool software to have and use. So if you guys want to check it out, go to Steam. There will be a link in the description below. You guys can check it out. You can download it. You can buy it. You can do whatever you want. And let me know what you guys think about the software in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I just haven't been feeling it. I'm going to try to upload more. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.